Prompt assistance in case of damaged baggage with the Damaged Baggage Service. You have arrived safely, but your baggage was damaged during transportation. We are sincerely sorry about this and kindly ask you to report the damage to us immediately. You can either do this in person at the airport, or you can do it online. Use our Damaged Baggage Service to create a damaged baggage report, easily and without wait time. Ideally, do this straight away, while you are still at the airport. First, enter your flight details, your flight number, and the date of your departure. You'll find both on your boarding pass. Next, we'll need your baggage number, which you'll find on the digital or printed baggage receipt. Now, describe your baggage and the damage as best you can, using the given categories. Document the damage with descriptive photos and upload them along with any other required pictures. Enter your contact details. Finally, please check the further information. Once you have sent all the details, you will receive your reference number. Please send this reference number to our external partner to be processed further. Our service provider will check your damage report in accordance with our requirements and process the matter further. Done. Please be assured that we will do everything we can to ensure that the matter is dealt with as quickly as possible. And thank you for your understanding. For further information, please visit www.swiss.com/damagedbaggage.